Welcome to Tesla Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're going to the gallery at the unlisted Tesla Gallery Destination Chargers in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here at the Tesla Gallery in Las Vegas, Nevada on Sahara, where they have 12 destination chargers. I just want to thank all of you guys for hanging out with us. So you know what to do. There's a like button. Make sure you hit it and show us that you like us. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can get the latest info. And if you know anyone that can benefit from this information, make sure you share the content with them. Here are my initial thoughts. If you will be destination charging here, you're going to be in direct sunlight for several hours. Initial feelings. I have a feeling that I'm in the desert. I'm hot. I want to get into the air conditioning as fast as possible. Initial concerns. None whatsoever, as long as you come prepared for the heat, as long as you come with enough liquids to drink and a place to go in the shade, because hopefully you won't have to destination charge in the sun for hours and hours. And by the way, if you don't have an EV, don't park where there's a destination charger or an EV charger. Like, I don't know what kind of car that is. It's a Mazda, and there's a Volkswagen over there. Be good.
Let's hear what our guest Lisa has to say about the area.
What are your impressions about the destination charging area next to the Tesla Gallery on Sahara?
I think I like the location. You have to look around, but I think there's a plaza there. There's a Walgreens, so you can get something.
All right.
Something to drink. It's super hot in here. It's about 42 degrees.
Now, what are some selling points about the area that you can give us?
Pretty much it's close to the highway. Some amenities.
There's a Circle K. It's a 24-hour convenience store.
Oh, that's good. You can pick up a drink. You can pick up anything you want there. Something to boost your energy, especially in this kind of weather. 42 degrees. I have to reiterate that because it's just like undescribable.
That's why we're in the back seat of your Model S, right?
That's right. It's the best place to go while the aircon is going on.
If this place didn't have any chargers, would you still come to this area?
If I have no choice, I will, if it's open.
A full star for chargers, 12 unlisted destination chargers at an unknown KB 24/7. They are reserved for Tesla Gallery delivery, so be careful. A full star for bathrooms, 240 feet away, just go inside the gallery. 1 full star for safety, well-lit outdoor parking. Half a star for food and beverage. You've got coffee and water inside the Tesla Gallery, and a few blocks away, there's a convenience store and drugstore. Half a star for cool factor. This is your ultra basic outdoor parking lot unlisted destination charger. If you want Vegas action, it is clearly absent from this area, and this is a fairly neutral business bordering residential community. The unlisted Tesla Gallery destination chargers gets a surprising 4.0 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions. 1 mile from the 515 freeway Boulder Highway exit. If you need to bail, there are 9 superchargers open to the public. 3 of them are in the service area, but your Tesla nav will say there's 12. The Tesla website will say there's 8 superchargers. They're at 250 kV 24/7. Let's give Lisa the final word.
What was the coolest thing someone ever has done for you?
Somebody opened the door for me. Somebody grabbed me a drink. That's nice. Just the simplest things makes me happy.
Now, who do you admire the most?
The incoming president of the Philippines.
Who's that?
Politically, it's President.
Isn't that Marcos' son?
Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
He even has the first name, Ferdinand Marcos, another Ferdinand Marcos?
That's right.
You're happy he's going to be in office?
I'm happy that he's going to be in office because I think Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos is very close to a family that I know, possibly a niece, two of my nieces.
So it's going to be good for that one family or more families?
It's going to be good for more family and also for the rest of the family, especially for the Filipino people, I believe. And that's just my honest opinion. I think it's a high potential that Elon Musk would be offering something for the Philippines.
All right. Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
I love Tesla, and I think people should consider it. One thing is that it's very no gas problems. Battery, yes. Charging, okay, but it's a matter of getting used to the car and paying attention where you can do your charging.
All right. Thank you very much, Lisa. We'll see you later.
Thank you.
Yeah, keep us straight face, would you?
I will. Thank you for the interview. Have a good hot day.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
If you worked for Elon Musk, what would you be doing for him?
I would be telling him to put more satellite discs in the Philippines because we are very behind as far as this kind of technology is. And I think it's the way the Philippines would be recognized as no longer a developing country.
All right.
Or you can delete that if you want to.
Oh, I'm definitely going to put it in.
Oh yeah, are you sure?